What's up everybody, this is Mike, and today I want to address all the latest leaks we have about the DJI Mavic Pro 2 and everything we know about it so far. I want to talk to you guys about this drone, and let's just jump right into it. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but I decided to step away from those rumors and leaks videos. It's not something that I wanted to do on YouTube. So I decided to not really talk about them. But now, ever since we got the latest leaks on the DJI Mavic Pro 2, DJI actually had to come out and confirm this information. They had no other choice but to confirm that information that we have about the DJI Mavic Pro 2. So now that we have their official confirmation about this information, we already know that it's real, it's coming, and I want to talk to you guys about it. So we have a couple of facts, we have a couple of leaked photos that basically confirm the lineup of the new DJI Mavic drones. We have two different options. We have the DJI Mavic Pro 2 and we have the Mavic Zoom, or Mavic 2 Zoom. I think it's Mavic Zoom. So we have two different variants as we expected, and each of them has different features and specifications. I have a small list here that I've made in my notes app, so my apologies if I keep looking down. I just want to read it for you very quickly. So like I mentioned, the first one is called the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. It comes with a 2x optical zoom between 24 and 48 millimeters. You will be able to zoom to distant objects just like the Inspire 2. So that's very cool actually, and I really like this functionality. It's something that we have seen on the Parrot and Nafi, and personally I think it's a great thing to have on a drone. The other version is called the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, or Mavic Pro 2, who knows. It comes with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a Hasselblad camera. Now, let's just not get super excited about this because it sounds, on paper, it sounds amazing. 1-inch sensor, Hasselblad camera. It's just going to be insane, but I really want to see more information, maybe photos taken with that camera, so I can be completely pumped and excited about this. But so far on paper this sounds amazing, and I'm very excited to learn more about it because I've been dying to have a 1-inch sensor on a small drone like the Mavic series. So basically that makes the Phantom 4 Pro capabilities, that brings them into a smaller body, the one of the DJI Mavic Pro. So that's very exciting. Basically, we are getting better drone in a smaller shell. So everybody is going to enjoy that, I'm sure. And we also have this other information about the drone, that it will have a top speed of 45 miles per hour, which is 5 miles more compared to the original Mavic Pro. So that's going to be even faster. You already know I'm going to fly in sport mode a lot with that drone. Of course I will. It will have a 31-minute flight time, which is 4 minutes more compared to the original Mavic Pro. So everybody loves longer flight times. Of course, 31 minutes will be a stretch. I am sure it will be something along the lines of 28, 29 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. But we already know this is in perfect conditions, which we never see when we go outside to fly. So anyway, anything closer to 30 minutes is going to be insane. I can only imagine if the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, it's going to be amazing. Anyway, coming up next, we have 1080p OcuSync video transmission up to 5 miles. So we're getting more range, better transmission quality, up from 720p to 1080p. So basically everything that we are seeing on the screen will be even better looking and will have more range. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of this extremely long range because that's a way to cause accidents, because people want to test their drones and want to go completely insane flying 7 or 8 kilometers away. So I don't really like that, but it's good that we have OcuSync transmission technology, which we all love and we know is going to be very powerful. Next, we have omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APAS. I hope it will be a new improved version of the APAS system, because we already know the APAS 1 was not very good, or at least it has something to be desired from it. So hopefully we'll have a new improved version of that, and we'll have obstacle avoidance in all directions, hopefully. Next, we'll have Active Track 2.0, so that will make tracking people and different people hopefully much easier. And then lastly, we have the dolly zoom we have the dolly zoom, which will probably be a new flight mode, which will be available on the zoom version, on the Mavic Zoom only. So personally, I'm not a huge fan of this thing, because the dolly zoom effect is very easy to achieve with every single drone, even on the Spark. I've shown how to do that in one of my tutorials previously, so I'm not a huge fan of this specific mode, but it's nice to have it for people that are not very tech savvy and are not very good at editing. Anyway, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, DJI had no other choice but to confirm the existence of those two new drones, and that is because they were announced in a catalog that was published by Argos, if I'm not mistaken. Argos is a large shop that offers this huge catalog of different products, and basically this shop had created this catalog a couple of weeks before DJI decided to cancel their event. So it was already printed and there was nothing they can do. So the catalog had this printed information inside about these new drones from DJI. So basically DJI had no other choice but to confirm the existence of these two new drones. And here is what they said. This pre-printed catalog was scheduled before we postponed our See the Bigger Picture event to ensure we can deliver high-quality, cutting-edge technology to our customers according to our standard of innovation. This early look just hints at the many exciting features and capabilities DJI will announce at the proper time. We look forward to giving our fans an incredible drone experience as soon as we can. So basically with this they are saying, yes, this is true, this is what you can expect from us, but there are a couple of more features that you don't know about. So hopefully there would be a couple of surprises on their new release event. One small thing I forgot to mention, I already started editing this video when I saw that I forgot to mention that unfortunately there is no information about a removable gimbal on any of those two drones. Initially we had information that we might see a removable gimbal, something similar to what GoPro did with their Karma drone. So I was hoping that we can see something, the DJI's take on this, because it would be interesting. I've always liked the approach of the GoPro Karma. Unfortunately, it didn't work out for them, but I was thinking that if DJI is trying to do something similar, it might be more successful. So who knows, that might be one of the features that is not documented in that catalog. So hopefully there could be more information on the reveal event, but for now we don't have any clues whether we will see this feature or not. And finally, like I said, we don't have any specific information on the price. I think it will be something along the lines of the Phantom 4 Pro for the more expensive version, and as far as the Mavic 2 Zoom, I think it will be something similar to the original Mavic Pro price, so around $999 for the base version. Of course, those are just speculations, we don't have anything confirmed, but I am just reflecting what could it be. So let me know in the comments below whether you think I am right or not. Please let me know which of those two drones interests you more, and are you planning to get one? Personally, I am going to go for the Mavic Pro 2 for sure, whatever the cost is, because I just want this 1-inch sensor and the Phantom 4 Pro quality in a smaller body. That would be just amazing for flying in tight spaces and in different situations that require a small body like the Mavic Air or the Spark. So hopefully the Mavic Pro 2 will deliver what we are expecting from it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been nice to just keep you updated with everything we know so far. Please let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to know, and I'll be sure to reply as soon as I can. That being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!